He wasn't trying to change the world. He was just testing a radar, like every other day. But then he felt something strange. The chocolate in his pocket had melted. Most people would throw it away, but not Percy Spencer. He was curious. If these waves can melt chocolate, he thought, maybe they can cook food. The next day, he placed corn kernels near the radar, and they exploded into popcorn. That's how the first microwave oven was born, in 1945. It weighed over 400 kilograms and cost more than a car. All because one man didn't ignore a melted chocolate bar. Sometimes history begins with curiosity.